Hello friends, welcome to Otica Meditronics company. Today we are going to demonstrate how to use a compressor nebulizer. Today we have taken an Otica Nebulizer. This is the machine. This comes with 2-year guarantee. This is a very good warranty and service support given by the Otica brand. This is the nebulizer. We are going to unbox this device. First of all, you will find this is the user manual where the warranty card is also included inside. Then there is a mask set and the machine is there. So we are keeping this box aside, and you can see this is a very good machine. You can see the build quality is quite good. They have provided a seal packet. You can see this is the genuine probably, and you can just unbox everything. You can see this is a set of masks. You can see they have provided the tube, the mask. This is the mouthpiece. When anyone wants with the mouthpiece, you can take, or else these are the pediatric and adult mask. You can combine or you can attach this mask to this and you can wear it like this. You just need to tight it thoroughly so it will be fixed properly. So this is the mask. Now we are going to connect this nebulizer to the patient. You can see the switch is there, on off switch. You just need to connect this tube at one end. You have to press it a bit tighten. This is the first of all we'll remove this. This is the nebulization chamber in which you need to add the liquid. So you just need to add your medicine. If you can say this is the medicine chamber, but we are adding a water for an example. So you make sure that the level of the water or the medicine is not above the max level. So this is a bit higher, so we are just removing. So now it is under the max level. Now we are going to close this. So now the medicine chamber is fixed with the medicine, and we are going to connect the mouthpiece, for example, to take it from the mouth. Here we are going to connect it. And you can see a very fine fumes are coming from this, and you can adjust the fume from this above adjustable sensor. You can see the intensity will reduce and it will increase accordingly. So this is how you can adjust your, so this is a very good function. You can adjust the fume, so there will be no wastage of the medicine. You can also put a mask over here and you can apply it to your face. So this is how simple nebulizer it is. And one more thing, company is giving you a standby filter. This is the filter chamber. So you just need to replace that filter. Company is provided a filter standby along with this machine. 5 filters are there given by the company. These are the 5 filters. So after some usage, you just need to replace this filter. So it will give you a proper air inlet, and this air will comes to your mask. So this is how this simple Otica nebulizer it is. Thank you.